Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Fun Math number 31.
Fun Math number 31. So this is a problem from Art of Problem Solving's Intro to Number Theory book, and we were just talking about something a lot like this today. So here's the question. How many positive divisors of 252 are even? Okay? Do you understand the question?
Yeah.
That's in my eye. Okay, how do you want to approach this problem?
Well, we need to figure out how to find even divisors.
Okay.
So, we can factor it into primes to find all the divisors.
Okay, so it's asking for even divisors, but a good start is finding all of the divisors, and the way we do that is factoring into primes. So go ahead, factor 252 into primes.
Well, I know it's divisible by 9.
Oh, divisible by 9, okay, that's a good start.
What is it divisible by 9? I'll check that.
Yeah. How did you know it was divisible by 9, by the way?
Because the sum of the digits are divisible by 9.
Sum of the digits is 9, okay.
So
good.
9 into 25, 2, 18. 25 minus 18 is going to be 7. Bring down the 2. That's 8.
Alright, so 252 is 9 times 28.
That's interesting.
Okay. Here, watch it. Sorry, let me just grab an eraser. So let's erase that. 252 is 9 times 28. So what is that going to factor into primes to be?
Well, it's going to be 2 squared times 3 squared times 7.
Okay. So the 3 squared came from the 9, the 2 squared, and the 7 came from 4 times 7 is 28. So there's 252. By the way, how many total divisors are there of 252?
Total, there's 3 times 2. 3 times 3 times 2 is 18.
Okay, so what we do is we increase each of the prime powers by 1, and then multiply, and we get 18 total divisors. But we're not looking for total divisors, we are looking for even divisors. And that's what makes this question very interesting.
Well, it's going to be all the divisors of 252 over 2.
Okay, why is that?
Because it's going to be even.
Okay, so what does it mean to be even?
It means to be divisible by 2.
Divisible by 2, or 2 times something. So we're looking for all the divisors of 252 that are 2 times something. Okay? But 252 itself is 2 times what?
It's 2 times 126.
2 times 126. So we're looking for all the divisors of 126. But we already factored 252.
So
If I pull a 2 out of this, what is 126 going to be when factored into primes?
It's going to be 2 times 3 squared times 7.
2 to the 1 times 3 squared times 7. Alright?
Yep.
So how many divisors are there of 126?
Well, this increments to be 2.
Mm-hmm.
This
The power,
yeah, the
power plus 1 is 2.
This increments, the power increments to be 3.
Uh-huh.
And this power increments to be 2.
Okay.
So 2 times 3 is 6 times 2 is 12.
12. Okay. We found there were 18 total divisors of 252. We didn't need to find that out. We just did that for fun to make sure we understood what was happening. Then we said, okay, there's 18 total divisors, and the even ones are going to be the divisors that are of the form 2 times something. Well, 252 is 2 times 126. So if a divisor of 252 is 2 times something, that something is going to be a divisor of 126. It turns out 126 is 2 to the 1 times 3 squared times 7. We knew that because we had already factored 252.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we just pulled one of those 2's out. And then we used our divisor counting formula. Increment the powers, 2, 3, 2, and then multiply. We get 12. So 12 total divisors of 126, And 2 times those divisors are the even divisors of 252. Alright? Good job. Pretty neat problem. I guess we have tomorrow off because I'm traveling, and then we'll pick it up on
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay. Good job today, honey.